Hello, welcome to another session with me, Aruna Tantubhaktuni. In today's session, we will learn a little bit more about plotting using ggplots. Fun topic. Before we take a deeper dive, let's have a quick recap. As you might recall from our previous tutorial, wherein we covered basics of plotting and some basics of ggplot. First, we will have to load the ggplot2 library. Then we are going to be creating a plot. Okay, just a quick recap. There are three layers to the ggplot element here. The first layer is the data layer. As you might also remember, that Theof is a data set that comes inbuilt in your R, and we are loading that data set. So the next layer is your aesthetic layer, wherein you would choose the columns from your data set that you're going to be using for plotting. And the third layer is the geometric layer. So that is your basic plot. Now, something that you may want to add is a title to your ggplot, and that is your command ggplot title. And with this, you actually see a title show up on your ggplot. Something that you might also want to do is to change the text or the legend on your X and Y axis. You can do that by using the xlab and the ylab command and picking the way you would want. So here we have added units to your X and Y axes. Another thing that ggplot also has is a labs command. So the advantage of using labs is that first is your syntax is slightly cleaner. And second, labs actually gives you a lot more options to play with as well. So with labs, you could add a few more if you want to change the legend. So what we are doing here is that you're actually changing the title of your legend as well as the subtitle. You're adding a subtitle to your plot. Okay, so let me show you how the plot now looks. Something that you can do after this is you could save all of this that we created thus far into assign it to, here we're calling it base plot. We are assigning all of this code to the base plot. The good part of doing that is now that you have assigned it to a base plot, you can get to play around with it. For instance, if you want to change the font size, you can do that. You would be using a theme command that comes with your ggplot. A simple way for you to change your font size. Here we have changed it to 20. It looks like that's too big. Let's make it a little smaller. Maybe this is better. So as you can see now, instead of retyping all of that, you can just simply use the base plot, use the theme command, and keep changing it. ggplot has a few themes which are inbuilt. For instance, you could use theme minimal. By that, you would get a lighter plot. Like you can see, there is no background. So that was your theme minimal. You can look at theme dark. You can look at theme test. We can again pick your base size. If you want to learn more about ggplot, you can go to this location, which has a lot more information. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in our future tutorials. Bye.